Hello everyone and welcome back. My name is Poonam Patil, Assistant Professor, Kokang Gyanpith Rahul Dhaga College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karzat. And this is the Kokang Gyanpith's Global Pharma News Bulletin, your one-stop destination to top stories of the day. Another major health crisis in the form of Zika virus. Kerala, which has been struggling to manage the COVID-19 pandemic in the country, is now facing another major health crisis in the form of Zika virus. According to the reports, the first case of the Zika virus was reported from Kerala on 28 June 2021. However, on 12th July of 2021, Kerala reported 15 more cases of mosquito-borne Zika virus in Thiruvananthapuram, causing a worry to authorities in the state. The authorities have collected all the samples from Thiruvananthapuram that tested positive for the Zika virus and has been sent to the National Institute of Virology in Pune. The sample of a 24-year-old pregnant woman who sought treatment late last month with symptoms like fever, headache and red marks on the skin have also been sent to NIV Pune. The Tamil Nadu government has intensified checking at the borders with Kerala following the Zika virus outbreak. What is Zika virus? Zika virus is a mosquito-borne flavivirus that was first identified in Uganda in 1947 in monkeys. It was later identified in humans in 1952 in Uganda and the United Republic of Tanzania. The first recorded outbreak of Zika virus disease was reported from the islands of Yap in 2007. This was followed by the large outbreak of Zika virus infection in French Polynesia in 2013. To date, a total 86 countries and territories have reported evidence of mosquito-transmitted Zika infection. Zika virus belongs to the family Flaviviridae and the genus Flavivirus. Thus, it is related to the dengue, yellow fever, Japanese encephalitis, and West Nile virus. Like other flavivirus, Zika virus is enveloped and icosahedral and has a non-segmented single-stranded 10 kilobase positive sense RNA genome. The Zika virus disease is caused by the virus transmitted primarily by Aedes mosquito, which mainly include Aedes aegypti and Aedes albopictus. The same mosquitoes transmit dengue, chikungunya and yellow fever. Zika virus also transmitted from mother to fetus during pregnancy through sexual contact, transfusion of blood and blood products and the organs transplantation. The symptom of Zika virus disease, the incubation period of Zika virus, that is the time from exposure to symptoms, is estimated to be 3 to 14 days. The majority of people infected with Zika virus do not develop symptoms. Symptoms are generally mild, including fever, rash, conjunctivitis, muscle and joint pain, malaise and headache, and usually last for 2 to 7 days. Infected people also rarely die of Zika, and once infected are likely to gain protection from future infections. So what is risk? One of the lethal aspects of Zika virus infection is that it can cause infants to be born with microcephaly. That is, head size is smaller than normal, and other congenital malformations known as congenital Zika syndrome. The other risk is Guillain-Barré syndrome, is a rare disorder in which body's immune system attacks on nerves. Weakness and tingling in the extremities are usually the first symptoms. These sensations can quickly spread and eventually paralyzing the whole body. There is no specific medicine or vaccine for Zika virus. The World Health Organization has suggested that priority should be to develop inactivated vaccines and other non-live vaccines which are safe to use in pregnant women. At present, the vaccines are under clinical trials. No vaccines or antiviral drugs are available as prevention or cure. So, how to prevent Zika virus disease? Protection against mosquito bites during the day and early evening is a key measure to prevent Zika virus infection. As the Aedes mosquito is active at the day and early evening time, special attention should be given to prevention of mosquito bites among pregnant women, women of reproductive age and young children. This can be done by ensuring that you wear long sleeved clothes and long pants or treat your clothes with insect repellent. You can also use mosquito nets and door screens to keep mosquitoes outside the house. Further, do not allow water to stagnate in and around your house, and ensure there are no objects and materials near your home that can become breeding ground for Aedes mosquitoes during the rainy season. For sexually transmission, always use condoms that and have protected sex or do not have sex. Avoid traveling to a Zika virus affected areas. So in this way you can prevent the Zika virus infection. So thank you, stay safe, stay connected.